Hi, this is Jeff. This is part 3 of the building of the U.S. Independence 1775, my first wooden model ship. I've been working on it for a couple of weeks now, off and on, not as much as I'd like to be. I just got the bulwarks laminated with the pieces of wood that they give you for the interior side of it. It's mahogany. And this will actually go inside on the top and be wrapped into position. While the glue is drying, I decided that I would also put in some cargo into these holes down here, as has been suggested by a couple of different builders. I have a little lathe set up I bought at my local hobby shop. It's a little mini lathe, and I centered my dowel. And I'm going to try to make a few kegs at this point, nothing major. I'm not going to go overboard or try to outdo them, because I think I can finish them up by hand, as far as like putting ribs on them or painting them so they look authentic. Essentially, the piece of dowel was just a piece of dowel from the dollar store, and I figured we'd start with just putting a little bit of an edge on them in here. A little tough to see. Right in here, and give it a keg shape. And with that, it would make it a little bit more authentic if I decided to put something in there. So we'll start by doing some, if I can work this camera right, by trimming this piece up into what should look like a keg. Finish it up with some sandpaper. Get a nice smooth finish. And then I just add a couple of the lines to make it look like a strap on it. Even though they'll be reversed, when they're painted, you won't be able to notice the difference. As you can see, I've made a couple of them, and they're just stacked, and I'll just cut them off here and here, and I'll paint them and put some color into what should be the straps. And if I feel ambitious enough, maybe I'll put some thread around there or something to give it an authentic strap look to it. But that'll be just a couple of things I put underneath of the deck so it looks like it's actually carrying some cargo. And that's all for now.